You're gonna have a soft, smooth, hairless, beautiful body after this video. Ooh, ooh, yes, you're welcome. Hi.
Let me tell you about me. Take it down in 1, 2, 3. I don't like my boys too sweet. I don't worry about you. I just worry about me. So you better run.
We are much overdue for a soft, sexy, silky, hairless situation for the summertime. I'm gonna give you guys all the tea on my favorite products and tips. It's not gonna be just products, it's gonna be products and tips so that y'all can be smelling good, looking good, feeling good by the pool. A lot of you guys ask me, Haley, how do you stay stretch mark free for the pool? How do you look so smooth? How do you look hairless? And let me tell you guys, I am a master manipulator. I am a genie. I am a magician. Your girl has bumps. I have lumps. I have marks. And somehow, some way, you can never clock them because I really, really, really take pride in my entire routine. So I'm going to share it with you guys today. I also wanted to say thank you so much for Tress Wellness for sponsoring today's video. It is an entire waxing kit, and we're gonna get into that later because waxing is the new vibe for 2021 summer, honey. A hot girl summer, a hairless girl summer. If you guys want to keep watching, make sure that you do. Give this video a big thumbs up when you're done watching so that I know that you love the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Be my friend on Instagram. Let's chat. Let's get into the video. Head to toe, body routine, soft, silky, hairless, summer, everything. Let's get into it. Okay, let's start off with body wash because that is where I start my routine, right? I start my routine in the shower. It's where we completely transform ourselves from stinky and dry to moisturized and smelling amazing. When it comes to body washes, I like to consider a few things when it comes to summertime. Is it going to brighten my skin? Is it going to make me feel nice and moisturized? And am I gonna feel refreshed and smelling fabulous like a summertime scent? If it hits all of those, we're Gucci. I'm going to share with you guys the one that I'm using right now. It's the Olay Fresh Outlast Birch Water and Lavender. If you've been following me for a while, you know that this is my favorite body wash, and somehow I found a big bottle. Now, what I like to do is I will squirt all over a loofah, head to toe. I wanna be sudsy. You are going to see bubbles all over me when I'm using this because it smells like a beautiful vacation. I feel like I'm in the tropics, okay? And yeah, it's just a whole vibe, and I like the way it makes my skin feel. I also really love, this Olay Rough Dry Skin Total Moisture Body Wash. It's empty, it's gone, it's going in the trash. I love these both, and I also love the Olay Retinol. I have mentioned that in a previous video, and it is so great because it brightens the skin. So if you have acne scars, marks on your body, or whatever, you're going to be brighter. You're gonna still have your complexion. We're not bleaching our skin, we're just brightening and toning. So these and the retinol one, pick them up right now. I will leave them all down below. When it comes to shower time, exfoliating is honestly key. I find that when I exfoliate, my skin is a completely different type of texture. I don't see graininess, I don't see as many bumps, I don't even see strawberry legs or eczema. I honestly feel like really silky, really smooth, and I just feel so much prettier when I exfoliate. It's crazy. So I like to use whatever I have on hand. This is the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Body Scrub. Yes, it's Boom Boom. I always like to tell y'all that I found out from the founder that it's pronounced Boom Boom. But anyways, it's so good. It will scrub you down. You're going to smell like a beach. You're gonna look like a beach in the best way possible, and then you're gonna rinse it off and you're going to feel soft, smooth, beautiful. You don't wanna buy exfoliators that are rough on the skin, that dry you out. You want ones that have some sort of like vitamin E in it. This one has crushed capuchao seeds, whatever that is. But anyways, this particular one leaves me feeling really soft when I rinse it off and not dry and gross. So that's what you need to look for when it comes to exfoliation. It's key to find one that when you rinse it off, you feel moisturized, not dry. I also feel like when it comes to exfoliation, you want to use different exfoliations for different reasons. So I love to use that one for like a body scrub, but I also use the First Aid Beauty Bump Eraser, which is a micro exfoliant, I believe, and it's really good for stretch marks, cellulite, and all that good stuff. So I will scrub my hips and my butt because that's where I see all the marks and bumps and beautiful crevices because they're beautiful We're just trying to make them look a little bit better. Okay, moving on. Now this video is going to be extra just like me, so just understand that I'm going to be showing you 1,000,001 products. This is the 7 Cosmetics Bath Oil. Now you're probably wondering what this is for. So this is for all of my dry girls who need to literally soak their skin in an oil. This is the perfect way to do it. So if you're doing like a Saturday night bath night where you want to kind of chill, relax, and feel good, I would suggest to put a little bit of this in your bath, let it just run, and you're going to feel soft, silky, and like baby smooth when you're done with your bath. And it's easy. You just put it in your bath and lay there. You don't have to rub it on your skin. You don't have to do anything crazy. And I feel like when I do this at least once every 2 weeks, it has changed my skin dramatically. So give it a try. It literally lasts forever. I've used this about 4 times already, and it came out perfect. Invest in a bath oil or something that you can put in your bath that will keep your skin feeling silky and beautiful. Okay, so let's talk about my Tress Wellness waxing kit. It's all clean, so I wanted to show you guys at least what it looked like so you know. And so essentially it's a wax warming kit, kind of similar to when you go to a waxing studio. So you literally have an at-home waxing studio for half the price. You don't have to pay for it. It's not like something that you have to keep replenishing. You buy it once and you're good. I love having this on hand, and I'm gonna tell you guys, I am the queen of hairlessness. I don't want to see hair on my body, especially in the summer. It's just my preference. If that's not your vibe, that's okay. If it is, you're gonna love this. So I have tried so many different hair removals. I've tried laser, I've tried shaving, I've tried waxing, and this summer, waxing is my vibe. So what I essentially use this for is the hair that grows very weird and in weird places. So for instance, I like to wax my butt, my hips, my back, the back of my arms. I'll even do my legs occasionally, and sometimes I'll even wax my face. Yes, I will. So I absolutely love this wax warming kit. It's incredible. It works really well. I don't find that it's too painful, and I just find it to be really effective and helpful for my summer silky smooth look. There's nothing worse than me feeling like I'm walking outside pretty much naked because you're in a bathing suit and feeling like everybody's looking at the hair that's been growing for 24 years on my back. Yeah, so we're not gonna do that anymore. We wax that, okay? I wanna feel silky smooth, and I do find that waxing is also a form of exfoliating. So I do think that it works really well to keep the skin feeling really soft and beautiful, and it just gives you like a new layer of skin, in my opinion. So this wax warmer actually comes with 5 different wax beans. So they are for different reasons. They come with different colors, and I just find that it's really cool. So I like to use certain ones for certain parts of my body, and I just find that it's really awesome that it has a fully stocked situation going for you guys. When you first buy it, you don't have to worry about buying this and then buying things outside of this to put in it. It comes with all the stuff that you need, like the sticks, the wax beans, and of course the warmer. So when I prep my skin for this, I always like to exfoliate first, which is why I showed you that I do exfoliate, and then I will get out of the shower, wax an area. You can always do a patch test first if you're worried that you're not going to agree with the wax. It's also really amazing to use on your armpits if you struggle with darkness under there, because waxing will help with that razor burn darkness that you normally get when you're shaving. Give it a try. I'm gonna leave the links down below for the Tress Wellness Wax Warmer. It's incredible. You're going to love it, and it's going to change the way your summer skin looks. This is honestly my secret for feeling really beautiful and hairless. Okay, so let's talk about summer hydration. So when it comes to summertime, hydration is key. I like to go in with a lotion and an oil. Always one and then the other follows up, especially if I know I'm gonna be sitting outside, showing off my skin, wearing a dress, wearing a strappy look like this. So essentially I like to go in with the Sol de Janeiro Boom Dia Brightening Cream. So this is really great because again, it brightens the skin, it tones the skin, and it smells magnificent. If you put this on your skin, I swear to God, everybody will flock to you like you smell like a goddess. So just get it. I have already recommended this to you guys a million times, but if you're on a budget and you want a better lotion that isn't too expensive, I will show you. So this right here is the Nivea Shea Daily Moisture 48-Hour Smoothing Moisture. This is an amazing one for dry skin, and I find that this looks really beautiful on the skin after the shower. So if you don't want to get the Boom Dia, you can get the Nivea, but if I were to pick one, I would pick this one. And then from Skincare, I actually have this, and I've actually talked to you guys about this before. It's the Toasted Marshmallow Body Butter. So anything that's buttery and it's thick and it kind of melts into an oil, I actually really love. It also smells like marshmallows, so it's very girly, it's very amazing, it's very sweet and beautiful. You would absolutely love this. And I find that this particular body butter just feels and looks so good on the skin. So let me just kind of show you guys how I would normally wear this. So here's the body butter right here. on my finger because I don't want to put my finger in the tub. And I'm going to put it on my skin like this, and I'm going to show you guys how it blends into the skin. Look at that. Do you guys see how beautiful that is? So this is the difference. This is my arm before. This is my arm after. So you can see it glistens more, it shines more. It just looks so gorgeous. I also really love the Ancient Cosmetics Sweet Almond and Black Seed Oil. I prefer to put this on my hips, my stomach, and my butt because I just find that it feels like it's working and doing something to my skin. It feels like it's toning my butt, making it look really shiny, making it feel hydrated because not gonna lie, guys, my butt gets very dry sometimes and you have to really moisturize it and you don't want to be walking around with ashy cheeks. So because I know my cheeks are going to be out in a bathing suit, I like to place this on, and as you guys can see, it's a goner and it smells so freaking good. That is my summer scent, okay? Period. And like I said earlier, I love to follow up with some sort of body oil because this makes you look so sexy. So now I'm going to kind of section off each thing. So this is more for if I know I'm going out to dinner or I know I'm going to be out walking around with a dress on or a top like this, for instance. I'm going to use a body oil rather than a sunscreen, and I'm going to show you guys a sunscreen in a minute. But this body oil from Ancient Cosmetics smells and feels divine. And I've already talked to you guys about this a million times, but I'm going to show you again so that you understand the freaking magnitude to how amazing this oil is. And I like to put it all over my neck like this. Look at that. I'll put it on my other arm as well. And it just smells so amazing. Like I feel like I look and feel like a princess with this oil on. And I feel very moisturized, and I'm sure a lot of people are gonna ask, like, do you feel like it transfers in a vehicle and things like that? Yes, I do. It could transfer, and I don't want you guys to walk around transferring your oils. So this is my number one tip. Whenever I arrive at a location, I bring my oil with me, and I will put it on the second I get out of the car. I will take it, rub it on my legs, put it back in a Ziploc bag, and head on into the restaurant. And I'm glowing, and it's actually really glowing because I just applied it rather than driving all the way to my location with it on. Just saying, that's my tip. Okay, so let's talk about the pool because essentially sitting by the pool is amazing, but you have to be protected at all times, and I'm gonna share with you guys what I use. So this is the Hawaiian Tropic Sheer Touch Ultra Radiant 30 SPF, and this one right here actually is amazing because it has a glisten to it. So I know it's only 30 SPF, so I actually like to use, hold on one sec. I will also kind of layer it with the Supergoop SPF 50. I love them together, but the Hawaiian Tropic is like literally my favorite because it makes me feel so pretty. And then I will always layer with the Supergoop Glow Oil. This right here is a game changer. When you spray this on yourself, you want to spray it all over your legs, your hips, your butt, your stomach, outside, and you just kind of do that and you rub it in, and it's SPF 50. It's a glow oil. It doesn't fade, and when you get out of the pool, let's just say you go swimming, it will still kind of have a glistening vibe to it, which is so pretty. Now, if you're trying to look like a baddie and you're going out, you know you're gonna be seen out, you know you wanna look good, you wanna do the extra mile, the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc Shimmering Body Oil will be your best friend because there's glitter in it. So this is my arm right now. I'm showing it to you guys so you guys can see that it's glistening, but it's not glittery. So when I put the Tom Ford on, I just kind of rub it in. It smells incredible, which who doesn't want to smell good? And then you have more of a glitter effect. Let me see if you guys can see that. There it is. So it's just really light and it's actually very beautiful. It's not too overbearing because sometimes glitter can be a little cheesy and young, but this looks very perfect and amazing, and it looks soft and it gives that shimmer that you want. And to quickly address cellulite, marks, and things like that, now I do not get rid of cellulite and marks with anything other than dry brushing. So I have dry brushed for years. If you guys are not new to my channel, then you already know this, but if you are, then here I am talking about it for like the millionth time. Dry brushing is amazing. What I do is I will take this brush and I will do this on my hips, because that's where I get stretch marks, cellulite, and all that. and I will do it here, and I swear to God, I don't know what it is, but it exfoliates my skin and makes it more smooth. It just looks a lot better and beautiful. I literally will do it for like 3 minutes on each side, and I like to do it out of the shower. I don't get it wet anymore. I used to do it in the shower, never again, and I think that it's just an incredible brush to own. Now, if you're a little bit insecure about the kitty or any part of your body that might have stretch marks or any type of mark, maybe you have like a giant mole on your butt and you don't want anybody to see it, Vita Liberata Body Blur and Derma Blend have incredible, amazing cover-up products for the outside. I have used Derma Blend. My best friend Aisha actually put me on to the Derma Blend trend, and I don't want it to look like makeup. I want it to look like skin. So Derma Blend and Vita Liberata look like skin to me, and it is just so beautiful to apply it down there. I will leave the links for all that down below, but let's just say whenever you need to give yourself that full Barbie, I have no marks effect, that is what you guys should try out because it doesn't look like makeup on the skin and it ends up blending in with your skin perfectly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below your favorite products for the summer that keep your skin looking silky smooth, beautiful, and honestly perfect, because we are perfect as women, as men, as non-binary. Y'all are all beautiful, and as long as you're doing the self-care steps, you're on team me. So let's be friends. Also, don't forget to get your wax warmer kit. Let me know if you guys pick it up and if you guys are going to use it on your back, your butt, your legs, where you guys gonna use it. I am genuinely curious where you guys need to wax. It's amazing, you guys will love it. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.